Understanding Git changes and reverts.
Reverting changes in Git lets you undo mistakes without losing valuable progress. Git stores your project's history, making it possible to explore, modify, or undo changes safely. Knowing the right strategy for your situation is key to preserving your work. Let's look at commonly used methods for undoing changes while making sure your important code stays intact.
Undoing unstaged local changes.
If you've edited files but haven't yet staged them for commit, you can use git checkout -- file or git restore file to revert changes. This will reset specific files back to their last committed state. Be careful. These commands will erase your recent modifications to those files, so use them only if you're sure you don't want to keep those local edits.
Safely reverting staged changes.
If you've added changes with git add but haven't committed yet, use git reset file to unstage them. Your changes remain in the working directory, so nothing is lost. To undo all staged files, type git reset. This lets you fix mistakes in your staging choices comfortably, ensuring your work is safe and simply moved out of the staging area.
Undoing commits without losing progress.
Git revert is the safest way to undo a commit that's already been shared or pushed. It creates a new commit that undoes the changes, so you keep a full history and don't lose any work. Avoid using git reset -hard on public commits, as it can cause lost changes for your team. Revert keeps collaboration safe and clear.
Stashing changes to save work temporarily.
Sometimes you want to set aside your changes and work on something else. Use git stash to temporarily save local modifications. Your working directory reverts to the last commit, and you can later restore your changes with git stash apply. This is great for saving your progress without committing incomplete or experimental code.
Choosing the right approach for your needs.
Understanding these git commands gives you flexibility and control. Use checkout or restore to discard local edits, reset to unstage changes, revert to safely undo commits, and stash to save unfinished work. Carefully pick the method that fits your scenario to avoid accidentally deleting progress and to keep your history clean and accurate.